welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Skeem Saam. Big news to Skeem Saam fans. Kwezi and Robert Patterson have finally confirmed their love for each other. On Valentine's Day, they shared a romantic kiss, making their relationship official. Fans of the show have been waiting for this moment for a long time. Kwezi and Robert Patterson's chemistry has been clear, and it's exciting to see them taking their relationship to the next level. Their Valentine's Day kiss was the perfect way to celebrate their love. Kwezi and Robert Patterson's relationship has been a topic of interest for fans. They have been getting closer and closer, and now it's official. They are a couple. As the show continues, it will be interesting to see how their love develops. Kwezi and Robert Patterson face challenges and obstacles in their relationship, or will their love continue to grow stronger? Fans will have to keep watching to find out. One thing is for sure, their love is real, and they're excited to see what the future holds. In a shocking turn of events, Lehasa received a present from Preeti, but things took an unexpected turn. Instead of showing appreciation to Preeti, Lehasa ended up kissing Dr. Blue. This surprising move has left everyone wondering what's going on. The scene started with Preeti giving Lehasa a thoughtful gift, but Lehasa's reaction was not what Preeti has expected. Instead of thanking Preeti, Lehasa turned his attention to Dr. Blue and shared a romantic kiss. This sudden change of events has raised many questions. Could have led Lehasa to kiss Dr. Blue instead of showing appreciation to Preeti. Is there something going on between Lehasa and Dr. Blue that we don't know about? The situation is getting more complicated by the minute. Preeti must be feeling confused and hurt by Lehasa's action. She gave him a thoughtful gift expecting a positive response, but instead Lehasa turned his attention to someone else. This must be a difficult moment for Preeti. As the story unfolds, we will have to wait and see what happens next. Will Lehasa explain his action to Preeti, or will he try to keep his feelings to Dr. Blue a secret? The tension is building, and we can't wait to see what is in store. For now, we are left in more questions than answers. What is going on between Lehasa and Dr. Blue? How will Preeti react to this surprising turn of events? Stay tuned to find out what happens next in this dramatic storyline. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.